Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today is a happy day. I got something from VION, and if you've been watching the channel, you know I just love VION. As you can see from my beautiful roof shade, link in the description, just saying. It's this I always recommend to people first when they buy a Tesla. So my friends at VION tell me that this new phone mount is simply the best in the industry. I have no question that they're correct. The funny thing is, I've been using the VION phone mount that has lived up here for a long time, and I thought that was the best in the industry. So apparently it's better now. I can't wait to try it, so let's get into it. So let's start by opening the box. I mean, I guess the kids say unboxing, but you know, looks like it's got a little installation video, which I should probably watch. Looks like we're gonna need a T30. I see. And so we're gonna just remove, it looks like one screw, and then attach it. So that's really great. Let's see what else comes in the box. Look, oh my, look, comes with tools? Are you kidding me? You're joking. Oh my goodness. I know you can't tell in the video, but like, that is solid. Like, this is not some junky plastic stuff. These are metal parts here. This is gorgeous. Wow. I'm gonna feel like this is too fancy for me to even be playing with. Now keep in mind, you do need one of the newer Teslas, one of the newer Model 3s that has the hole here in the door panel. So before you order this, make sure that you have that screw hole. And let's see what else comes in here, because that's where it attaches to. And then, oh, it looks like it comes with a little magnetic ring, should you need it. And then this is, I bet you this just attaches to my phone. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Wow. That's gonna do the trick just fine. And again, like, I just took my other one off, but I was in love with that, and I had it here forever. But VION tells me this is even better. So let's check it out. Oh my goodness, they give you a little wrench. How awesome is that? Like, this is just a cool wrench to keep in your car. So, you know, I'm saying this is worth it just for the tool. That is so slick. Man, thank you, VION. I'm going to be filming another video in just a minute when I'm done with this one. They also sent me, a little teaser here. They also sent me the center console hub. Now, I already had their center console hub, but they've updated it. So they sent me the new version. And I mean, this is seriously one of my favorite accessories as well. So if you can't tell, I love me some VION. They are the best. So check them out. They've been a long-time supporter of the channel and just a good friend to me personally. So I can't recommend them enough. I have almost everything in their catalog, and everything has been great. And they continue to innovate and make their stuff even better. So please check the link. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and kind of figure out what to do here, and then we'll pick it up. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna take my really neat little tool here. I'm gonna go into this little screw hole, and I just wanna line up, find the screw head. There it is. That's on there pretty good. So you may wanna start from like up here, actually. All right, my friends, so it's at this angle. All right, and if you get down on the ground, you can actually see that. I'm just trying to do this so that I can keep filming, so that you can see what's going on. So we're gonna remove this screw, and really at this point you don't even need the wrench. Probably just use the little bit. I don't know how long this is. Okay, so there you have it. There's the original screw. All right, and I'll just hold this up so you can compare. You may want to just put this in your glove box so you still have it, you know. But there you go. So you can see this is the new screw. And so we're going to take the phone holder here, and we're just going to run that screw in there. Check that out. Who thinks of this stuff? That's incredible. And so now you can see I'm just going to tighten that down. Man, that's slick. And I'm going to tighten this just to kind of get it up out of the way for the moment. Look at that. It just gives you like infinite adjustability. Man, that is solid. That's great. Super easy. All right. So that's cool. And of course you can wiggle this around to get the perfect angle. I don't know what I'm gonna want yet, but we're gonna put it out to here just to make it easy to attach the phone mount. And so it looks to me like we're just gonna loosen this. If we want to make it super easy, just, yeah, nice and loose. And I'm gonna just run that on there so that I can pop the ball right in. As you can see, that's on. And now I'm just going to, hopefully you can see that. I'll adjust this a little bit. Yeah, so see what I did there? Just pop that on, and then the feel is, can you hear that? This is not plastic that looks like metal. This is the real deal, friends. This is nice. Oh man. And again, like the amount of adjustability is just off the hook. And it's great that they give you this little ring in case your phone doesn't have, you know, the MagSafe. But luckily, mine totally does. Look at that. That is cool. It's a little hard to do one-handed because I'm trying to film, but I'm just trying to show you all the different angles at which you can have your phone. Look at that. That is just fantastic. I'm gonna love this. Wow, this is awesome. So, and check it out, even with all of this, engineering, you can still kind of get it tucked out of the way if you don't want to see it, tighten that up, get it out of the way. You can really kind of do a lot of different angles with it, which is just super cool. So check this out, man. And again, with two hands, very easy. With one hand, and I'm not left-handed. So there we go. So you can watch me struggle just a little bit, but that is great. And super strong magnet. So I'm going to try and attach you my viewers, to the mount here, and let's see. Just trying to figure out how I want to angle this. Yeah, that ought to do it. Again, I need both hands. There. Tighten it down, and blam. And we are on. We are good if you want to go up and down like that or sideways. And that's really cool. Gives you a great vantage point. I know you can't see anything right now, but there you go. So as you can see, I've got you attached to my mount. Hi, Mom. So check this out. I think it's another slam dunk. Really, really cool. It gives you like really easy reach to the phone. It gives you it basically gives you like the same kind of distance from your main nav as to your phone, which I think is really, really nice, especially if you're using Waze or Google Maps or one of the other map programs. If you want to run multiples, this is a great way to do it. So again, a huge thank you to VION. Check the links in the description. I just cannot recommend them enough. Again, this beautiful, beautiful roof shade that, you know, comes off in a flash. I went in and took the little mounting thing off with it. But super easy to put back, as you can see, just gorgeous. The rear, amazing. So order those. Order some air filters. Those are fantastic. I've done a couple of videos on those. What else? The 2 phone mounts. I don't know if they're still making the other one, but fantastic. The other thing is really cool, and I'm just going to show you a quick teaser for my next video, and this will probably come out around the same time, so be sure to check those out. So subscribe to the channel, make sure you don't miss anything. Of course, we've got the center console hub, the updated one, which I'm super excited about. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? The cup holder inserts, which I think are the best in the business. These are absolutely gorgeous. Mine is covered in coffee, but super easy to clean, and these really help keep your drinks in place, and they look good and they feel good, and they're just awesome. And then these are the coolest little charging cables. So check these out. These are going to be in my next video. And oh man, I needed one of these. I accidentally broke one of mine. I mean, and it put up a good fight, but I yanked on it real hard, and you know, it happens. But look at that, it's cute. It's like a little wall charger, but it's a USB-C. It's so cool, and it says VION right there, and it lights up. It's so great. So get some of these, get the charging hub, get all of this stuff. You're gonna love it. I love it. VION. You're the best. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna film the hub, and yeah, I can't thank you enough for watching. Get this slick new phone mount. Just buy everything that VION has and use my link. You'll help support the channel, and you'll help support a really great company. So it's a win-win. And again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Stay driven.